calling you.
Just so, before you talk, the sister any kind of distance to, you know.
No. I don't know the whole scene already. You know, I'm way smarter than that. I'm way smarter than I don't know the whole scene. I don't know you was chaining me up for the kill already.
Right,
So
right.
But I always used to be on your live, but just I wasn't saying nothing much.
Yeah.
But I don't know the whole scene already. Anyway, brace yourself. You know, I just come with the facts.
Right. Well, I'll take your honor for the speaker.
Oh, sorry. Remember about 2 months ago or 3 months ago, Destiny said the police had held him. The police had hold him, and he didn't tell anybody what the police hold him for. Remember that?
Yeah.
Right. You want to know what he get hold for? He gets held on sedation charges. See, let me explain sedation charges for you. Because of everything that is going on in Europe now, you know a whole heap of things going on with immigrants and, well, laws has been going on with Europe, right? So one of the acts that they implement is something called the government hold him under the other day. And his case is in October. The sedation hearing is next month. So, jump high, jump low. He is charged under the Terrorism Act. Or they've been watching. You notice he's been very careful how he been acting online and the things he been saying. And you know, he acting this too good issue and acting like, you know, I can't say much and I'm picking this side and talking the truth and all kind of thing. All that is a show Desmond putting on for the government to see, well, you know, he's not no really threat on social media. I'm telling you. The case is next month. He's going to get deported, Shay.
Just how you know them something?
Don't study that. You know, I just bring the facts.
Okay. Yeah, because you always bring the facts for me.
I just bring the facts, you know that. But he's under sedation charges, I'm telling you. He is.
Because this is the whole line page gone.
Yeah, it's just a show. For the last couple months, remember Desmond been acting and balling. I can't say much.
Whole line page gone,
yeah, it's because the government monitoring all his pages. They've been monitoring all his pages. They've been monitoring him. He been under investigation. He been under solid, and he's facing serious charges, sedation, for all the things he said about children, incite against children. Sorry, all the things he said about children, and you know the explicit things he said about children with penises and all them kind of things.
That's one by the page. Him not on the page.
Yep, and that's why he don't cuss and carry on no more. You notice he don't cuss and thing up at nobody and fell and ray. He don't do that no more. He can't.
Right.
He can't. Look up sedation charges. SEDITION. Sedation charges. And all you would see for yourself. Desmond is faced with sedation charges and the case is in October. I'm not sure if it's in early October or if it's in late October, but I know the case is in October. He going and face a fucking, he going and face a judge in October. I'm telling you, and he ain't going to escape this. Because the evidence against him is a lot. You have a lot of evidence against him. A lot. Social media does leave digital footprints. And so, they have all the proof that they need. That's why they held him. They held him and they questioned him and they presented all the evidence to him. Like the things he does be saying and all that. And then he guaranteed he would not behave that way again or whatever. But the charges were still placed against him. So, he talking back to you and playing goody two-shoe and saying this and that about other people and all kind of thing. It all was to get in the good books.
Right.
It was all a show for the government of Switzerland to see. It was all a show to say, well, he used to behave this way on social media, but then look at the big change now. We see he's an activist. We see he talking positive things, or he not cussing and carrying on. But shit wouldn't work. Trust me, it wouldn't work. A pig will always be a pig. And a pig will always love money.
He did catch me even when him there on the screen with Tiki and say him now raise him vice, him now go on, him now do him there. But I didn't have argument with you. And
you notice he don't cuss Tiki and them again? He don't cuss nobody again. No, observe well. He don't cuss nobody again. He cases in October. I don't know if it's in late October.
But I feel me paper. They know me draw money from the liquor while. One of the thief and liar fucking wicked man. How me go draw money liquor while a machine I get the money. But them a chat.
Report the police in Switzerland. Report that the thief you paid. All you have to do is report it to the police, the Ministry of Justice in Switzerland. More trouble for you. She are going later, right?
All right, Jason, later.
Yeah.
My dear.
That's all they have to do in a share. Just get somebody for help her report it to the Swiss government over there. You see why I'm get sedation charges is because all of the report are the negative things and more people report. So the government go after him.